Hello all, this is Govardhan. Welcome back to my channel. Over here, we discuss about the Indian benchmark indices along with the global cues. So, without any further ado, let's quickly jump into the market analysis for today. So, what's happening around the space? So, we went on a very much gap up note today, and the gap up just sustained. Although in the first candle or first couple of candles, we sort of tried testing the lower support zones, that's 15900, but we will remain below 59, above 5900, then marching towards 16,000. So we made a fresh high once we broke 5962 level. That was the previous high. From there we slightly retraced, tested 5950 a couple of times, and then moved to it's 5975. That's the next resistance before 16,000 that we have. Normally 15975 level or 875, those sort of act as a psychological resistance. It's completely an uncharted territory which we are in right now. So that's where our resistance lies. The next resistance 975 odd levels, followed by 16,000. So over here we'll just stay cautious and see how the things go on. So that, let's quickly jump to our analysis too. So yeah, let's quickly look onto the open interest and see what's cooking over there. Third point. So yes, we are doing a live market analysis right now, and going to record the pre-market analysis. So let's quickly jump into this and see where we are. So meanwhile, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go hit the subscribe button. I would be glad to answer all your questions, and you can watch all the pre-recorded videos, old videos that are already available on the website, on the channel. So that's about that. Let's quickly take a look into the OI stats, what's happening. So yeah, we must start 5975, there it is. We just clicked 5975.1. Let's see where we head from here. This sort of momentum is continuing, so we need to stay cautious. If we have to take a reverse trade over here, but which we are not doing anything right now. So yeah, so is the open interest lying? So if you see 5900 P, there's heavily call puts written, so that's going to act as a good support level for us around 15900 itself. Like we discussed, once this resistance is broken and if there's a good momentum continuing on the direction, that resistance will start acting as a support. So it's about this what's happening in this. Please just give me a minute, it's loading up here. So 975 is where we are acing our resistance right now. It be a reversal from here? I don't know. We need to just wait and see. Something going in the background. Stuff irritating. Internet connection. Yeah, we need to get it checked. Yeah, so if you see, I'm almost 7 million open positions in 5900 P, so it's sort of become a really heavy support. Deep down on the upside, we still have 16,000 calls being written, they're in covered any time. So over there we have almost like 4.7 million contracts written on 16,000 calls. So that's again another watch point to be taken note of. So yes, that's a quick note on Nifty open interest. So still in trying to break 15,975 and sort of let's see what's happening in this space. I'll keep you posted. Let's quickly look into Bank Nifty. So there's no strength at all in Bank Nifty, honestly. We opened on a gap up node, tested our first support, we sprang back up, and we are about 34,800. We have immediate resistance at 34,940 levels. So we need to stay cautious and see what's happening, because unlike Nifty, there's not really any strength in Nifty that we can see. So either Bank Nifty will run along with Nifty, or sort of it's going to underperform completely, and Nifty might actually dip down also from here. So yeah, that's about Bank Nifty. So the levels for Bank Nifty are 34,750 would be the initial support for us, followed by 34,661 and 34,500. The next support would be around 34,180 and 200 levels. On the resistance, on upside, we have a 34,937, 35,000, 35,073 and 35,200 odd levels. So those would be some of the levels that we need to take care of right now. So let's take a quick check on Bank Nifty OA also. Just give me a minute, it's loading again. Is this side problem, or is it the, what do you say? My tip seems to be working fine, honestly, not sure. We are springing back up. Looks good, honestly. We made a fresh high. Oh, that's interesting. So we can actually check out. So I have this open position still on hand, and it's decent. It's not really bad what's happening in the USDINR space. So this position for, and let's see, I have a stop loss of 74.7 on this. So yeah, we'll then see what will happen in this thing. Okay, so Bank Nifty, yeah, we have 34,700 puts being written heavily. It's increasing. Also 34,800 calls is still written, almost 2.1 million odd, and 1.7 million on the put side. So we still have to wait and watch, because there's still heavy call writing at 34,800, which isn't covered. It's surprising it still hasn't started covering. So we need to wait and see the action about how this proceeds. There's no point till there's one more sign that kicks in to honestly enter a position. That's a quick note on Bank Nifty also. That's about Bank Nifty, and let's quickly see what's happening in this space. So yeah, so there's been a continuous resistance on upside for USDINR on the currency front, and as we inch higher in the equity market, it's sort of just weak sign on the USDINR part. Plainly, this is just a plain view. It's normal tendency, and 99 of 100 times that is what happens. It would be a anti-directional move to Nifty or the other benchmark index or any other global markets. If the equity markets go up, ideally currencies tend to fall a little. So yeah, we're just trying to make use of that fall right now. So let's quickly see what would happen in this also. That's about it today from my side, and I'll keep you posted if there's anything else that comes up. So yeah, that's about it for today, and see you again later. Have a good and safe trading day. Bye bye.